Hey YouTube, this is Call of Duty King 2050. This video on how to open the PS3. As you can see here, we have a Torx screwdriver. I found a way how to fix this problem without buying any dumb special Torx 6 screws. Torx 6 or whatever it is. You're gonna need one of these knives. You see this knife? They say you need a flathead, but I don't really think that's cool or anything. You just need this little piece right here. That's all you need. And you're gonna, where's one of these? You can see here. Alright. As you can see here, I already took one off with the knife. You believe it? I know, it's cool. And if you're thinking, oh, Call of Duty King, he's gonna make videos. Well, I'll make a lot of videos, not just Call of Duty or anything else. So yeah. Alright. As you can see here, I fitted the knife on the side. You gotta nudge it in a little on the side, and then just like get a grip. Just keep on holding it to the side. It's gonna move. Trust me. This happened with one. Alright. There's not enough light here. I'm holding the camera and everything. And you can see it feels like moving because it's not making that little sound. It's moving. See? It's already up. See? So why need a flathead thing and go out and buy it? Just have a regular old knife around and just do the magic right here in the comfort of your own house. I never actually thought of this because I saw this YouTube channel bring it up. He said you gotta use a flathead. And I'm more like, okay. But I wasn't gonna go out and buy it because I'm broke. So I'm more like, I'm gonna do it in an old version. I'm just gonna use the knife. And there you go. So yeah, fuck you, Sony. Doing those special ass screwdrivers. Nobody likes buying them. Nobody has a credit card to buy them on Amazon.com. Yeah. So I already took out all the screws on the sides. You see that? Yeah. PS3, everything. This one's tough. And got a grip on it. And if you want to put it back, I don't know. I suggest you do this if you want to put them back like this with a knife. But I don't know. What I want to do is take off the ones from the Xbox, a broken one I have. Yeah, take them off and then put them in here as a replacement, because these little things right here, these suck. You see right here, they have a little ass hole right here, so you need a special one to fill that hole. I don't like that, so I'm gonna switch them out. So yeah, you see here, just with a little knife. I don't know what it's really called. Platinum series, Rock Alta, whatever, stainless steel. And yeah. Alright, thank you YouTube. Call of Duty King signing off.